My mom was the type of woman who looked after the family, the house, the details. She was a very strong and proud woman. Then, as she got older, her health deteriorated, and with it, her quality of life. Her condition was overlooked. We basically lost her. She became stagnant and her body swollen with 14 kilos of water. She could barely breathe, barely move. Walking became a challenge. Every step, it felt like a marathon for her. And at that point I thought, yeah, this is it. Because she would say, okay, I'm at the end. You know, sometimes the stars align. My mom became the first person in Italy to receive the EVOQUE system on the day it arrived.
Sono andata a casa e mi sono accorta che inspiegabilmente riuscivo a fare tutto quello che volevo.
It was a new beginning. Life for her is simple now. It's a quieter rhythm, taking in the world as it gently unfolds around her.
Sicuramente è stata una seconda vita la mia.
You know, we often think that illness solely affects the patient, but that's just not the case. This technology brought her back to us, but you know, it also gave me my life back too. It gave us both a second chance at life together. And how beautiful is that?